Hey Michelle, this is Lucas from Purple Room Marketing. We're a digital marketing agency, and I was making some research on your area. I came across your website, so I figured I would make you guys this short video of 3 tips on how can you start beating your competition online. I'm gonna keep it nice and short because I don't wanna waste your time or mine either. So if you like what you see, just get back to me and we can chat. Basically, these 3 tips are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is talking about all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind the pictures that you have on your website. Google likes to see a lot of keyword rich authoritative content, and so they can figure what business you're in, what services do you offer, and what keywords or key phrases are you going for so you can be found for when somebody looks, for example, Podiatrist Miami or Food Doctor Miami. On Google, you would pop on the first results if you have enough content and you're targeting those keywords, all right? Second thing, I want to talk about citations. Usually when you search for a term in Google, like Podiatrist Miami, for example, for a service, this is what you see. First here, usually you see some ads up here. The ads, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, just because a lot of people had bad experiences with them in the past. And also, which is the main thing right now, is a lot of people is using ad blocks. And with ad blocks, you won't even see the ads over here. And then, but what I want to talk about is the citations, all right, which is regarding the MacPack, the Google My Business right here. In order to get on the top here, you need a lot of citations. That is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed as it is in Google on different directories all throughout the web. By directories, I mean like Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp, I don't know, ING, Stars. All those are directories. It's thousands of them on the web. And getting more citations at the first ones here is what is gonna get you to the top. So if these guys, let's say, have 100, you want 150 or 200. The more the better, so they can never catch up to you. And we check it on a regular basis. So when they start building back citations, we start building back citations again. And that way they can never catch up. All right. Citations also would help you a little bit as counting as backlinks for the organic ranking here, which is the one that it gets the most traffic, the most people is clicking in these results here. But that is the next thing I want to talk about. Backlinks. Okay. A backlink is basically your website on another website that when somebody click it, it directs you back to your website. And basically that's a backlink. But not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks are stronger than other ones. For example, to make an easy example, if your website is mentioned on a blog that talks about food, it's not the same and if your website is mentioned on a medical article, okay, in a very popular medicine magazine, or another doctor mentions your website or you in their website, okay? When they talk in the same niche or like a very renowned places, okay, or a press release, stuff like that, they count as a very strong backlinks, all right? So you wouldn't need that many of them in order to rank. So now here, I take your website and I put it on Ahrefs, which is a tool that we use to kind of see how your business is doing online. I can see that you have 87 referring domains that bring you to 175 backlinks, okay? Which makes you rank for 1,200 keywords and give you an organic traffic of 141 people approximately every month, all right? If you go here to the organic results, the first guy, Edward Bustamante, we click and we put his website on Ahrefs, we can see here that he has 24 referring domains that brings in just 61 backlinks, which is way less than you, but these backlinks are probably more powerful than yours. Also, he's ranking for 165 keywords that is bringing him 310 people a month approximately on organic traffic. If we click on the keywords, we can see that every time somebody search for podiatrist Miami, food doctor Miami, Miami podiatrist, all these terms that are regarding a service, all right, in the area, he's always on the first page, if not the first result, the second, but mostly the first result for everything. That's why he's getting the most traffic and getting the most patients through his website, which would be easily achievable by you if you build a healthy, strong backlink profile, you target your keywords and build authoritative content and you build enough citations. Okay, as you see here, the keywords you're ranking for, they have a very low search volume, and the ones that you rank on the first page, you're ranking for the name of your business and doctors that you have on your business, but they're barely searched online. All right, you want to rank for terms like food doctor Miami, podiatrist Miami, podiatrist services Miami, podiatric clinic Miami, stuff like that. All right, as you see here, the other ones are like nationwide. This this is stuff that it's okay if you have a blog, for example, apart from your website, to give information and give value to people. So Google that counts that too. That's a very important thing. But your website main focus should be targeting the keywords that are for the services that you're offering. Okay, so that way you can rank on the top of Google and get all the traffic, if not more, that this guy is getting. And that way you would be able to get way more patients and beat your competition and grow your business. All right, so that's it. That's all I have for you today. If you like what I said and you think I have the knowledge to help you help you start beating the competition line, just as I said, get back to me and we can chat. If not, just take these tips for free, apply them for yourself, and yeah, all I ask is if you can leave me a little review or a comment, that would be much appreciated. Have a great day.